They were going to Princess Sofia's castle for afternoon tea. They were aboard the Hello Kitty train, which would take them all the way to the castle. Unfortunately, there had been some heavy storms recently, which had weakened some of the cliff sides on the mountain passes. As they were steaming along, they could hear some rocks sliding down onto the track ahead. Oh dear, the Hello Kitty train came to a stop by a big pile of stones, and there was no way the train would be able to continue. Oh my, said Queen Elsa as she had a look at the track. I will have to call Queen Miranda and tell her we are in a spot of bother. She called Queen Miranda, who went out into the garden to tell Sofia and Amber the news. I know what we can do, said Princess Sofia. I could fly to Queen Elsa and Princess Anna in our magical royal coach and rescue them. Well, be careful, said Queen Miranda as Princess Sofia quickly got into the coach. Princess Sofia gently landed the coach by the train. Queen Elsa and Princess Anna carefully climbed into the coach, and Princess Sofia gently flew them back to the castle. Queen Miranda, King Roland II, Princess Amber and Prince James were patiently waiting at the castle for their safe return. Thank you so much, said Queen Elsa. I think we could do with a